yesterday, they carried a headline that President William Ruto, for the 9 months he has been in office, he has used 3 times what his predecessor, President Uhuru Kenyatta, used during the same period. And that is very true. In fact, 3 times is not enough. That is true. What they did not tell the country, and they can't do so because they are subjective, and they are part of the scheme to belittle President William Ruto and the government. What they should have done is do an analysis of what President Uhuru Kenyatta did in those 9 months. How many countries did he travel to? How many local travels did he do? If they were honest to do analysis, they will find that within the 9 months, President William Ruto has done 8 times what President Uhuru Kenyatta did, and hence the escalation of the budget.